Storm Team 29 forecast.
Wow, what a difference a day makes. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. This time yesterday, we were in the 60s and the 70s, pushing 80 degrees for a daytime high. We had some record highs. We tied them as well over much of the Commonwealth. And now we are nearly 40 degrees colder with mostly a cold rain. Temperatures across areas of central Virginia are in the mid-30s. We had our daytime high set at midnight, and now we're going to hold steady in the 30s for the rest of the day into tonight. But more importantly, look at the valley. You folks in Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro, right around freezing. That's important because we are seeing some precipitation move over the area in the form of mostly a cold rain and even some pockets of sleet and ice. Here's the view outside live in downtown Charlottesville. Ice, not a big concern. We're seeing some wet roadways out here, some raindrops on the camera lens as we look off to the west, northwest. But from the Blue Ridge Mountains and the valley, NBC 29's live Doppler radar is showing pockets of freezing rain, sleet, and a little bit of ice out here, especially on elevated, untreated surfaces. There could be a few slick spots into tonight, but for the most part, it's a cold rain east of the Blue Ridge. Over the last hour, we've seen that light wintry mix over the valley, I-81 corridor, and into sections of central Virginia. There's the cold rain along the James River and south. Now, the National Weather Service continues a winter weather advisory for the I-81 corridor, I-64 corridor into the Shenandoah Valley and the Blue Ridge Mountains, but that's mainly for elevated, untreated surfaces for a little bit of ice and sleet. But the big picture shows the heaviest rain over southwest Virginia. But the winter type storm is going to bypass us to the northwest over the Ohio Valley and into the northeast. That's where we have significant snow and sleet and ice alerts from Texas all the way to Maine. So for our area, once we get into tonight and tomorrow morning, it's mainly plain old rainfall. So our high-res weather tracker shows chilly rain east of the Blue Ridge and Valley, some sleet mixed in there. Here we go overnight, some more rain showers, areas of fog, and then tomorrow morning, 5, 6, 7 a.m., a wet morning commute. And then by midday, the rain's out of here. 24 hours from now, sunshine breaks out with a boost in temperature. It won't be quite as warm as yesterday, but still daytime highs, 50s and low 60s will be the name of the game with a gusty west wind. Precipitation chances after tomorrow morning, that's it for perhaps the next week. It's a quiet weather pattern going into the first few days of March, and temperatures are going to be like a roller coaster again. 60s tomorrow, 40s on Saturday, 50s near 60 on Sunday, and then it's up and down again for a lot of next week with temperatures inching their way just above average. Your Storm Team 29 report today: showers, some sleet, daytime high steady in the 30s. Tonight we're going to be in the 30s and low 40s all night long. The temperature may come up a little bit overnight, and so ice won't be a huge concern after 10 p.m. for the valley and the mountains, but showers, areas of fog, and chilly temperatures. For tomorrow, early morning rainfall, and then by mid-morning, the rain's out of here. Some sunshine breaks out, daytime highs above average, low 60s east of the Blue Ridge, and in the low and mid-50s across the Shenandoah Valley. Here's your 7-day forecast. A colder trend tomorrow night, lows near freezing, upper 40s on Saturday, 59 on Sunday, and then up and down the temperatures next week, but mainly dry skies for the first several days of March. CJ.